Welcome to Chemsworld! Oh boy, what are you both having already?
What?
I just get out for a while and look what I see.
What's Patrick's dinner?
Haha.
Yeah,
Bread with some butter. Wow.
yeah, and then I was so fit. I can eat everything.
Later you're gonna have some fish and you're gonna eat everything. Are you monster appetite? How was your bread? Good. Let me see. Yummy.
Cheers!
Look at this. Someone already picked the...
Oh, those are the cherry tomatoes, huh? Mr. Cherry Tomato. Let's see your new favorite thing. Oops, it exploded.
red.
Take the green part off, Patrick. Take the green part off. Stop.
Red's not red.
Yeah.
Put some lemon in it.
What's this tomato stuff first? What's this tomato stuff
Then let's give it a try.
I haven't fish now.
Sure, you can put it on your plate. But Mama will give it to you. Mama will give it to you.
I'll have two.
Let me give it a try. Let's see that.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, let me
that's
try
great.
that.
Oh,
Let me try.
I said I'm gonna try it. Looks delicious.
yeah, it does.
So good.
How is it, Patrick?
Good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Good.
How about let me try this one.
Yeah, try that one too.
This is salmon with seafood.
Salmon with seafood, yeah.
Of course, with the shrimp.
Tomato sauce. Oh, lovely.
Good.
Okay, look at this chicken. It looks really nice and juicy, perfectly grilled. Give it a shot.
So good.
real salad.